So I have this Xbox One controller, so I thought I would take it to bits, tear it down, show you how to take it to bits, what you need to take it to bits, and how to fix stick drift. In 95% of cases, stick drift will be fixed by what I'm about to do. This one does have stick drift on this thumbstick, and I will show you how I fix it. As I say, 95% of the time it fixes this. I forgot to record the test results on the stick drift, but I can do it after, and I'll insert it after I've done it to show you that the stick drift isn't there anymore. And the things you'll need is a T9 security bit, Torx security, something to clean it with, a pry tool, you can get smaller pry tools, washing up liquid and water, alcohol, IPA 97.9, air in a tin, and a cloth for drying stuff. So firstly, you take these side pieces off, you put them in, you put it in there, put it in there. Sometimes it can be a bit of a pain to get off. Sometimes they fling across the room, especially if they haven't been off before. Again, they come off like that. And then you need a Torx bit, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's one underneath as well. So we'll take these off. If there's anything else you want me to show you how to do, let me know. Put in the comments, and I'll show you how to do it. And this front comes off. And then you can take this bit out. So what we'll do is we will clean from the bottom up. So we'll clean this bit first, and then we will rebuild it from the, so it basically ends up back how it was. So ferro liquid and water. Just clean it. Don't forget these bits here. These collect a lot of dirt. So just proper get in there and do it. And you've got this bit here. That bit collects a lot of dirt as well. This one doesn't seem too bad. But whilst it's in bits, you might as well do it. Get your cloth and you clean it. Just clean all the water off. Sometimes I use compressed air. It's just as good to do it. Just use compressed air down the sides. You don't need loads of it. And that's clean. So we'll go to the next bit. So this bits get a lot of dirt, these bits get a lot of dirt. And then all these across the top here get dirt. So because it's electronics, we'll spray it onto the brush this time, just so it doesn't go everywhere. Just clean. Take your thumbsticks off. And so just get these bits here. I normally use air to clean it if it's electronics. And then I do these thumbsticks. See how it's getting stuck? So it's got stuck. Otherwise it's got stick drift. So then I put air in it. And then I normally work it with some IPA. Just put a little drip in there. Nothing crazy. And then just work it around. Just work it around. That'll clean all the connectors, and then the IPA will evaporate. So then we'll put this back on. Put this back on, put these back in. Now I normally clean the thumbsticks while they're out. Okay, and just water and ferro liquid, nothing crazy. And just clean it. See? It's focus. No, it won't focus. And put them back on. Okay, and we'll normally replace these, but we haven't got any of these in stock at the moment. We normally 3D print these, but we haven't done any for a while. And then we'll clean this bit. This one's not too bad, so we'll just do it a nice clean. And these, you need to clean these bits here and these bits here, because they all get dirt in there and there. And then around here they get a lot of dirt as well. But again, this one doesn't seem too bad. This one was taken apart more to clean the stick drift than it was to clean it. And then we'll put the screws back in. And there's 4 screws to put back in. There's one under the sticker, but we'll do that off camera. We'll use heat and it takes a little bit of time to do. I don't want this video to be crazy long. If you'd like me to see me do anything else, let me know, and I will try and make a video about it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See, now they're not getting stuck and they're moving freely. So we come to these. These do get dirty around the corners here and here, but this one again doesn't seem too bad. Just clean them up there, look. Bits of bits, I might as well clean it for the extra couple of minutes. And we'll just clean that off with the cloth. And clean this one off with the cloth. And then the last little bit, we will not squirt it with that because that's pointless. We'll use the compressed air and just get the last little bits of liquid out of there. And the same with this one. And these just clip on, like so. And that is one finished controller that's been cleaned. Stick drift has been potentially fixed. It's a lot looser now as it was before, and it's not getting stuck. As I say, I will put in the test results for stick drift to see if it had fixed it or not. I'm fairly confident it will have done. As I say, 95% of the time it does. If you'd like to see me do anything else, let me know. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. If there's a different way of you doing it, let me know. I'm always open to ideas and suggestions, and I'll maybe try your way next time and I'll record it. It's been a pleasure, and I shall see you on the next one.